And shifting focus to piece of breaking news coming in, we are given to understand that Deputy Election Commissioner Gyanesh Bharti and other senior officials of the Election Commission of India are scheduled to visit West Bengal next week. They will first hold a video conference with all district magistrates to review the progress of pre-revision electoral activities, after which there will be a field visit to North 24 Parganas as well as East Medinipur districts. Now, one agenda is, of course, the appointment and training of booth-level officers as well as preparation of BLO kits for SIR and also other SIR-related issues. This is what we're getting in for you. CNN News 18's Kamalika Sen Gupta joins us live this morning. Kamalika, very good morning to you. Could you give us more context on why Deputy Election Commissioner Gyanesh Bharti and his entire team are visiting West Bengal?
See, as we know that as we are getting it from our sources in AC, that SIR will be implemented any moment. In this month itself, the SIR will be implemented. So, as the moment that the Bihar election will be declared, a little around that this SIR will be declared. And final preparation of the SIR is something which the EC wants to monitor from Delhi, and that's why the entire team is coming. The Deputy Election Commissioner Gyanesh Bharti, he is coming. The DGIT Seema Khanna, she is coming, and all the other senior officials will also be visiting. Now, what they'll do on the 8th, they are supposed to come here in Bengal. First, they will have a VC with all the DM who are the district electoral officers with them, and then they will also go for a field visit in North 24 Parganas and in East Midnapur. In East Midnapur also, they will have meeting with Jhargram. They will have meeting with the DOs of the Jangal Mahal, Jhargram, Bakura, and all this region. So final preparation, what they will actually monitor and what they will actually check is about the appointments of BLOs, number one. Number two, they will also see that how the SIR preparations have been made. Number three, what are the arrangements as far as this enumeration forms are concerned? Who will be the people who will be assisting the BLAs? What has been the, there has been now 1,200 people per booth. Is this time, this is also something new. They are going to overlook the final preparedness of SIR because any moment the SIR will be implemented here. So that is the reason for which they are going to monitor this entire thing, and the agenda of these meetings are definitely the BLO recruitments, the training of the BLOs, the what should be the work of the EROs, and also briefing them about SIR and about the enumeration forms, and detailed monitoring and observation that will be taken by this EC next week because SIR will be implemented any moment.
All right, Kamalika, thank you so much for bringing all those inputs, and with that